Day after day, the screen time increasing, and because of that we suffer dry eyes and increase in sight numbers. So check out this video to take care of your eye health. Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all happy, smiling. Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, this is an eye mask we have ordered on Amazon stores. Right now it's available at 55% off. I'll provide the link in the description box. If you want, you can purchase. Okay, let me tell you the specialty of this eye mask. It works with cooling gel technology. As you see in the picture, this is how it looks. And this is one solution for all your eye problems. It treats your puffy, dry, swollen eyes, and it improves your sleep quality and gives a big relief for your migraines, stress, and sinus pains. In a nutshell, what I got to say is it acts as a cold compress for your eyes. It cools your eyes, it removes your tiredness and dryness. Okay, as you see in the picture, the eye mask is filled with liquid gel. As I said earlier, the eye mask specialty is it works with cooling gel technology, and this is for having long-lasting cooling sensation around your eyes. This eye mask is lightweight. It has got elastic band which goes around your head, and it fits any head size. It's quite flexible and cozy. Now we'll see how to use the eye mask. As you see in the picture, you got to remove the straps. Once you remove the straps, you got to put the eye mask in the refrigerator for some time, say half an hour of time. As you see in the picture, you take a bowl and put the eye mask into it and pour some water until the eye mask covers with water, as you see in the picture. Now take this bowl and put it in the refrigerator for say few minutes or half an hour of time. Okay, after half an hour of time, you see the eye mask being cool, and you got to keep intact the straps once again. Now wear the mask and let it sit on your eyes around half an hour to 1 hour of time. Then only it will be effective to cool your eyes, relaxes your eyes and makes it feel fresh. This is reusable mask, and after using the mask once a day, you can rinse it under the running water of tap, and you can use it the next day as usual. So that's it all for today. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. And this is the best eye mask you have got to cool your eyes and take care of your eye health, irrespective of summer or winter seasons you're in. Do use this mask and feel good. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, do share, subscribe to Flying Skies One. Have a good day and keep smiling.